You are going to love the 2018 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.